Today we're practicing the exact DEA number calculations you need to know for the exam. By the end of this video, you'll be able to look at any DEA number and instantly decide if it's valid or not. Let's get started. Question 1. Dr. Harris, DEA number BH7428367. Is this DEA number valid? To check it, we ignore the 2 letters and work with the 7 digits. First, add the first, third, and fifth digits. 7 plus 2 plus 3 equals 12. Next, add the second, fourth, and sixth digits. 4 plus 8 plus 6 equals 18. Now, multiply that second sum by 2. 18 times 2 equals 36. Then, add your 2 totals. 12 plus 36 equals 48. Look at the last digit of that total, which is 8, and compare it to the last digit of the DEA number, which is 7. They do not match, so Dr. Harris's DEA number is not valid. Question 2. Dr. Evans, DEA number AE5823940. Is this DEA number valid? Again, ignore the letters and just use the digits. Add the first, third, and fifth digits. 5 plus 2 plus 9 equals 16. Add the second, fourth, and sixth digits. 8 plus 3 plus 4 equals 15. Multiply that second sum by 2. 15 times 2 equals 30. Add the 2 totals. 16 plus 30 equals 46. The last digit of 46 is 6, but the last digit of the DEA number is 0. They do not match, so Dr. Evans's DEA number is not valid. Question 3. Dr. Lopez, DEA number ML9146735. Is this DEA number valid? Take only the 7 digits. Add the first, third, and fifth digits. 9 plus 4 plus 7 equals 20. Add the second, fourth, and sixth digits. 1 plus 6 plus 3 equals 10. Multiply that second sum by 2. 10 times 2 equals 20. Add the 2 totals. 20 plus 20 equals 40. The last digit of 40 is 0, but the last digit of the DEA number is 5. They do not match, so Dr. Lopez's DEA number is not valid. Question 4. Dr. Patel, DEA number FP2165832. Is this DEA number valid? Work with the digits only. Add the first, third, and fifth digits. 2 plus 6 plus 8 equals 16. Add the second, fourth, and sixth digits. 1 plus 5 plus 3 equals 9. Multiply that second sum by 2. 9 times 2 equals 18. Add the 2 totals. 16 plus 18 equals 34. The last digit of 34 is 4, but the last digit of the DEA number is 2. They do not match, so Dr. Patel's DEA number is not valid. Question 5. Dr. Wynn, DEA number AN5374829. Is this DEA number valid? Look at the 7 digits. Add the first, third, and fifth digits. 5 plus 7 plus 8 equals 20. Add the second, fourth, and sixth digits. 3 plus 4 plus 2 equals 9. Multiply that second sum by 2. 9 times 2 equals 18. Add the 2 totals. 20 plus 18 equals 38. The last digit of 38 is 8, but the last digit of the DEA number is 9. They do not match, so Dr. Wynn's DEA number is not valid. Question 6. Ben Fisher, DEA number BF1236579. Is this DEA number valid? Let's check it using the DEA formula. Add the first, third, and fifth digits. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. Next, add the second, fourth, and sixth digits. 2 plus 6 plus 7 equals 15. Now multiply that second sum by 2. 15 times 2 equals 30. Add the 2 totals together. 9 plus 30 equals 39. Now compare the last digit of that total with the last digit of the DEA number. The last digit of 39 is 9, and the last digit of Ben Fisher's DEA number is also 9. Because those numbers match, Ben Fisher's DEA number is valid. To recap the rule you keep hearing, and that's how you verify a DEA number, the exact same way you'll do it on the exam. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.